Bye, getty, getty. Nice. Yeah, boy.
Let's go.
Caught it on camera too.
Let's go.
Caught it on camera too. See the thing that bite. Yes. Have you seen that bite? Yeah, boy. We go in Suriname, boy. But we hungry. We want a little snack. So we looking at the mangoes here. Yeah. The officers that we can take one or two. It's all good. Oh, grab the stick in, huh? You gotta grab the stick so when you see them, you grab them before a board. You then board there, then kiskidia take the thing quick. See a grong? Full of mango. Hey, what kind is that, boy? That Venus? Me there real close to this nest, somebody choke him with something there, see him? Then choke him. Choke the thing someone, so yeah, pick him with your hand. Hold on, let me see, boy. Look the man, where we there? Look the man there, boy. Look the man there. Yay! Yeah, boy. Hey! Okay there. Look the man there, boy. A nice yellow spot here for you. Yes. You feel a little soft, you know? Man, hey, you see that, boy? The man go and jump and grab one that me need stick. A man see a mango, a man jump up and grab the thing there, boy. Look, couple of them there up there, yeah? Here. Right there. Yeah, see him. See the yellowness. This one found. All them one up there too. Good one. This one good one. Oh yeah? Yeah, boy, that's a good one. What is this? I get bite up. Look at one out there. Look this one. Yeah, boy. Feel him if you soft. Soft? You feel a little soft, but you walk. Mango tree, boy. You pick the one or you can reach it or no? Which side? The one up there. The one. Which one? No, right there. The low one. This one? Yeah, the other one. Reach it? Oh, video me. See if the man will get a thing for me there. Yeah, boy. The man almost catch it. That's the one we want. Give me there. Sweet bad, boy. I watch it from far. I was like, hey. There's some more soft. I go in the water. That's the thing there. Manga way down there. Alright, I see one nice one here. See him there? Hold on, look. Let's see there. Two nice mango here. Eh? Alright. Get two nice mango here. We gotta go and try see lash this up now quick time. There we go for the action then now. Man just wash up two of them. Go there now. Alright, so take it there, I go wash up mine. It's recording right now? Yes. Yeah. Just wash up the thing there. Nice and clean. You can't go just anywhere and get free food, you know. And this is a healthy snack, literally come off the tree. I can taste it, how sweet it is.
good, yo.
Yeah, it's sweet. Mango around.
Nice juicy mango. We want to take ARD style. Life can't get better than this. Like literally.
Yaman ba?
Nah.
Sure, this one yellow, you know.
I will. If I eat 7 for 500, 6 for 500. Black spice. No, water spice.
There's what?
Water spice. It's easy.
Water spice. It tastes good.
Yeah, hard spice, black spice, water spice.
But this is flash food.
Because it's not fully ripe, it's just sweet.
Perfect.
Like right in between.
Perfect, right?
Yeah.
You're not find the market.
Mm-mm.
You got to say pick some weed off it. Pick up.
I don't see some mango in a bag eaten. I
you
get
go?
it here. No. Inside the office.
Oh.
Hey, they come out like here. This can't get better than this.
No, but really, it's a good slang.
With a cool happy. We just got to the mango tree there. Pick it. Lash it there.
And it's funny, I saw a pipe right in the corner there, at the edge of the grass.
Yeah.
I think they hook it up to water the grass or something.
You see one down there for the time.
Mm-hmm.
They have no bag into the head.
Can't waste the thing, you know.
The premium in Agabaka. I have to find people with mango tree with any mango left because they want green mango, they want half mango. Hey, they were farm only because not much people eat out there, right? If people they them a trouble. Now get time for look mango tree, right?
This one get weight or what? You see how much is underground?
The guys coming by going through from Guyana, going to Suriname. Must ask for permission and pick some mango, you know.
With that, I want to get wash.
You can be.
Watch how you jam it up.
Let's not look at it. Alright.
Have a rope it for
Yeah, throw at that one. Yeah. Malaki breast breaks there. Yeah. Nah, dami ting tu. Go, 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 go.
What's action here? Real Dutchman style. You get rope? Oh yeah. That water going in? Yeah? Hey, Mau. Gam there, gam. We gotta go a little bit this side. We making way. Yeah, you do your thing.
Once we done him, I'll come over to you, right?
Yeah. Yeah, man. Very easy. See. Alright, hold on. Let me swing it a little bit.
Little bit.
Huh?
Yeah. There, right there.
Plug good.
Look good.
Good.
Yeah, give me one, let me go now. Give me, get me.
Go on, me go push here from. Yeah.
You gotta push your side.
Yeah. Me side on there over here front, straight up here already.
No man, you gotta straight over, you gotta push all the way. Look over here, yellow fast. That's what you look.
Leaf fall in there, boy. Yeah, boy. Build the muscle there. Yeah, let go.
Push it, right.
Come on, man. Me put power stroke there and I manage the power. Let me go. Alright. Nice and steady. Yeah, that's okay. Let me go.
Heavy back. Nice, right?
Watch out.
You gotta get them though because
Magyam. Give me a little shake there, man. Give me a little wind up. Tiny whiny. Yeah, from. Hey. A bottom a touch.
Push it.
Yeah.
Yeah. No.
Come on there, from. Yum. You come there. There we go. Here we go. Hi. Hi, getty. Nice.
Let's go.
Yeah, boy.
Let's go.
Caught it on camera too.
Let's go.
Caught it on camera too.
Let's
All right.
go. Mama, you see what little hooker do? Get out of there.
Bring you up on the camera, let's see shit.
Beautiful fish.
Hold it tight there, boy. What? You are jumping back, buddy. Yeah, buddy. Oh, what a beauty, bro.
Wait, let me see the camera there.
All right,
Oh,
nice.
look him out.
All right, take me a picture.
Only one ball tree. You need energy for it. Down the petrol. Huh? Yeah. We get that already there. And then let me see the action here. Hi. Yeah, no, I'm telling you. No, I'm in the rivers of Babylon. Rivers of Babylon. Alright. You're ready there, fam?
Cam Lego. Here, right here. I'll bring you.
You go in front, move over.
Why you feel so slack now, mate? Idian? Techie. Yeah, okay. I thought it was a bigger one. The net and the bass. Right, hook on. Alright, the Canada you bite me just now, right? Yeah, over there. And that's why my hurry come up, forgot change my thing and then that happened. Fish get the bad buddy. No, but that happened. That's why when I be go Canada there, I be always wear life, because when you're this type of fish, you not have to wear life jacket. Once you get in a boat, when you drive the boat and so right, Bobby not take chance. Wow. You got with me bait like this? Yeah. Yeah. Stick pull out. I'll pull out a stick. A win. Keep on low. Oh, wrong spot. I think see there. See, I never know. A win like he's up now, man. Are you small? Oh, you gone? Oh no. Yeah, it's a smallie, it's another smallie. Jump a fence! Jump a fence! Come, let me pull this up here, friend. Come. I will help them, man. 1, 2, 3. Come. Hold more here. 1, 2, 3, lift. Put the top there. Nice. Here. 1, 2, 3, go. Alright. No, not yet. Hold it from there, right there. 1, 2, 3, go. Alright, we good there.
Pull the plug.
No, let go. Ready? 1, 2, 3, up. Now we push. Watch yourself, Mama. Wait, let me go with Mama, no?
You go. Me go with her.
You sure?
Yeah, man, go.
Let go down. Let come down. Nice and slow. Alright. Hold them there from. Huh? You pull there? Yeah. You will pull, and me he go lift and hold the weight. Ready? 1, 2, 3, go. Alright. Let me pull the front now. Pull and let me make space for the man. Let the man get him both there. Ready?
1, 2,
Ya Bismillah. Let's go. Hayallah. Allahu Akbar.
There we go.
Hey, road, motorbike man.
Let go here and take me, man.
Let me come, Stringer? Okay. Alright. So we go see the man.
Around here.
There you go. Come. Let's go full pace.
There we go.
Good stuff.
Sambora plantain, boy.
What's a bora?
Yeah. You see they have the thing for run the vine on top.
More pepper here, right? Pepper, red. They're ready to go. Big papa, you pick them in time or them a fall out and so? You alone a pick?
They here
What do you more quantity, boy?
in a banana plantation in Suriname. Man, see the amount of pepper there? Yeah, all kind tree here. All kind.
Different kind of pepper, look.
All different kind pepper.
Yeah.
Just make sure you walk straight. No one step on nothing. Eh? The what? Alright. See the banana there? That's it. Yeah. You get a rice plantation right to the side over there too. That's it. Everything.
Fran,
Hey.
see this plant here?
Yeah.
This you call it African eggplant.
African eggplant. Wow.
That's what I'm here.
Oh. Like wrong, like tomato.
Yes.
Okay. African eggplant. It's nice and cool over here, man. Like it. Hey, somebody chopping though?
No. Go down with me. I don't know, get into it, you up in the pepper.
And I'm watch.
I see no plants here for free, man. Wait a man, I'll go to buy. Then I'll let more than what to go down.
So all this you planted?
Yeah. Should we make them pay too?
Yeah.
And we relax.
I know.
What's the man you on plant okra, okra, look. Okra the farm.
Yeah.
I see him.
Yeah.
I see him.
See?
What? Same? Yeah.
I'm going to make you cook him tomorrow. Tomorrow.
Look the plant in there.
Oh, you got cut that?
Yeah, you get fat quick.
Oh.
Yes.
When you cut that, then the plantain they get big,
Yeah.
faster.
Because that's the put all the water inside of the trunk. That's how them bananas be small.
Yeah, see them, right? Let's get up and get you tonight.
All the plantain and banana done.
How are they up there? The key one up there. Oh.
What up, plantain? You not ready?
You got it wrong.
You got it wrong, yeah. Nice one.
Bird will fly out there.
Not long more before it's ready though.
Plantain, guys. You guys always buying it in the store. Okay. We're there the plantation here.
Nothing? What, 3 follow?
You got plant back new watch.
Yeah. Oh yeah.
When I go down, you will keep plant back new.
Plant new. Because when they're old, they're not bear much, right?
No, them roots
Look
go
on
up.
the watermelon tree. One over there too.
Huh? Which one?
Huh? Follow. Hey, what's that? What's
Oh, just follow me.
Yeah.
A breeze blown them? Oh, wow. These here?
What? Already dial, bhai?
Double
do this one. Eh? No, fine.
Don't last, I'll be getting away.
No, fine too.
Alright guys, we're in Suriname and look what we find here. Nice soursop. Look at that. Oh yes. So it's not ripe yet, so we're not gonna pick it. But just want you guys to see what soursop look like here in Suriname. Tree is loaded. Get lots of soursop on this tree. Just waiting for them to get ripe. Oh yeah. Right in the backyard. That's how you live. Soursop tree. Oh yeah. See, they get a rice farm right over there. Rice plantation. Boom. That's how you do it. See them bird coming in. Oh yeah. Kind board that. National Geographic right in the backyard. Wow. Amazing bird, man. Oh yeah. Alright guys, we stop off to this restaurant. We're gonna eat at. Nice man. Beautiful. Nikiri. Alright guys, so we finish up at Suriname here right now. We're heading back to Guyana. So right now everybody loading up. And yeah, so we're going back now. We had to wait, they were packing the boat, took a while. But we made it to the first boat. So now we just go into Guyana. We get a big fishing trip in Guyana right now that we're going to, which is gonna be once of a lifetime trip, right? We're gonna be in the heart of Guyana. I'm not gonna reveal the location yet, but stay tuned. Hope you guys like this video. Like, share and subscribe.